and the bassinet. The bassinet is approved for overnight sleeping. So a baby can sleep in here, not just go around for a little trip around the block. They can actually sleep here till they're ready for a crib. The toddler seat is really nice because it can be world facing or forward facing, or you can turn it around. Anything gray on an Uppababy stroller will do something for you. So I just push those buttons and I turn it around. You can see there's a little gray button back here that'll allow me to recline it. There are 6 different positions of recline. Again, I can turn it around. There's a little button down here, it's gray. You can open it to put the baby in. And again here, this toddler seat starts at 3 months to 50 pounds. If you want to put a newborn in here, put in a snug seat because it has back support and a little head support and will allow then a newborn in here. It has the UV protection 50 sunshade, so does the bassinet. Okay, so that's really something nice because your baby cannot wear sunscreen for the first 6 months. Okay. Again, it has a nice telescoping handlebar, so for really tall people, medium, and small. And to close it, you're just going to put the brake on always so it doesn't run away from you. Then you're going to extend the handlebars all the way up because it's going to stand up. If you don't extend the handlebars, it'll fall right over. So extend the handlebar and then just pull the triggers towards you and down. Okay, so towards you and down, and then literally it will stand up by itself. You can again fold this little piece here and pull it to the side, hang it on your hip. It's the easiest way. It's how you carry a baby and it makes it very light. And then you're just going to get it in the car. I use the leg to get it up there. Again, another gray button that will allow me to open this up. And then I want to put the bassinet on here again. Just press these gray buttons and lift up. And then I would just put the bassinet or the car seat. The Mesa car seat goes on here. Both of these go on without any adapters. So, and if it's a hot day, you just unzip this piece here and you can pull this up and nobody can get to your baby because it has this nice mesh. But again, you're getting a lot of airflow. If you need to change a diaper, again, little gray buttons on the side here. And you can go ahead and change a diaper in here. Another nice thing is this mattress, it does allow airflow because it's perforated. I don't know if you can see in there. Mm-hmm. And so it also, there's a little window down here that you can open up in the bassinet. And then, as you can see right here, and then that gives you airflow and it'll go right through. And everything here is removable, washable, and to take it off, it's just like our car seat. You push this button and lift, just like a Mesa car seat. And again, you could close it without anything on it. Just pull the triggers towards you and down, and it makes a nice little compact stroller that you could put in the car. And so that is our Vista, and again, it goes up to 50 pounds, and if you have the adapters, you can actually put the bassinet down below and you can put the toddler seat up top. Oh. Okay. It'll allow you, and you actually get the 2 pieces and you can use it for a toddler and a newborn. Okay. Cruz and the Vista are very similar. The only difference, the biggest difference really, is that the Cruz, since it is a smaller footprint, smaller basket, smaller frame, and smaller wheels, is that you cannot double it up. So you can add a piggyback if you want a second child on it, but you cannot put 2 seats, 2 car seats, a car seat, and you just can only put 1 item on here at a time. So that's really the difference because it is a more compact package. Where the Vista you can double up. So I would say for the person who's asking why a Vista versus the Cruz or the Minu, I would say if you're going to have your children close together, I would definitely recommend the Vista because if you have somebody, a little person under 4 years old, they are going to be tired and they're going to need somewhere to sleep and somewhere to rest and have a snack. And so the Vista allows that. And then again, people ask me, well, why the bassinet down below when you have the toddler seat up top? And I would say that baby sleeps 80% of the time. So having the bassinet down below really makes a lot of sense when this little guy needs Cheerios and a snack and a drink and mostly your attention, because now that you have a new one taking up a lot of attention and close time if you're breastfeeding or, you know, just with that baby a lot. This one still wants your attention, so it's so nice to have them facing you and giving them that extra time. Again, this baby's sleeping 80% of the time. And then, you know, at that point you can get, as they get older, you can get the piggyback so that they can stand on that and feel grown up, you know, so it's a good choice. We're going to look at a little bit of the differences and the same qualities that the Minu and the Vista have from Uppababy. Both of these strollers hold children 3 months to 50 pounds on the toddler seat. So both of them have a UV sunshade, extendable sunshade, so that because your baby cannot wear sunscreen at the very beginning. Both of them have a magnetic little view window. Both of them have the leather handlebars. They both have the nice braking systems, green and red. On this one, when you actually press this here, it goes to red, so you know you're in park. And here, you would just press this, and they're flip-flop friendly and pedicure friendly. They both have very nice size baskets. The Minu, you can put a from birth kit, which is like a mini bassinet. And with the Vista, you actually get a bassinet that is approved for overnight sleeping. And so it's not just for strolling. This is actually an approved overnight sleeping aid. And then again, the nice thing is the Vista has a very easy fold and a beautiful basket. And there's your Vista right there, folded up. And the Minu is wonderful for travel. It's got all-wheel suspension. The Vista actually has shocks. And then to close this, it is a one-handed fold. And as you can see, it's a very much more compact fold, so great for airlines. And it has a nice little strap so that you can carry it. And it's 15 pounds on this one. The Vista is 25 pounds. Show you how to put the from birth kit on the Minu. And there's a little piece here that you just pop out, and over here as well. There we go. And then there's a little piece down here that's Velcro. So we just want to make sure we open this up, and then you just slide it off. And that is it to remove the toddler seat. And then, as you can see on the bottom, there's just these three little pieces. So you just want to make sure that you get it on this frame and clip it in. And then the back one over here, see this piece here? We're just going to make sure we push that in and just clip it. That's it. And then we are going to put this piece in here from the bassinet, and you can just clip this little piece here, this little piece here, and this weighs 15 pounds with this little particular from birth kit, which is a wonderful place for the baby to sleep. And again, this also has the UV protection, and it also has a zipper just like our other bassinet, so that you can get some airflow, even though it's very petite, and again, only 15 pounds. And then if you want to fold it, you would just take your baby out, and you would just, again, one-handed, fold it, and then with this little extra piece here, there's just a little button and a button here, which makes it really nice compact fold, and that again would fit in an overhead bin. It's smaller than a carry-on.